Hey Virgo, what's up? How's your day going so far? I wanted to do the Virgo compatibility spread as it's the close of Virgo season, and I think I'm going to continue at the close of every zodiacal season by doing these compatibility spreads for your sign and your potential partner sign. So today we'll start off with Virgo and Virgo relationships. So if you're a Virgo and you're dating a Virgo, or if your love life is surrounded by the influence of a Virgo, right? I'm going to do a simple twin flame spread of 7 mutual energies that you guys share. Okay, so there'll be 3 on each side and then one final outcome that is mutual in the middle. Okay, so with that being said, but we're going to use different decks that represent the divine feminine as well as the divine masculine. The divine feminine will be on this side and the divine masculine on my right. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to use the Kemetic deck for the divine masculine and the Cosmo tarot deck for the divine feminine. So let's get started with the divine feminine. But I hope you enjoyed your birthday, Virgo, and if it hasn't passed yet, then happy birthday once again. Okay. All right, so let me get one more shuffle from the divine, and then we'll cut the deck. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and then the Kemetic deck. Shuffle that up really good. If you haven't yet checked out my Patreon page, there's nothing on it. Until you subscribe, you won't be able to see anything on it because it's exclusively for those people who want to join for consistent personal reads. That's the only way I will be doing personal reads after Virgo season is over. So until then, you can contact me till the end of September for the 50% off through my email. Just mention my birthday, 9/4, and say happy birthday, and you'll get 50% off your read. Or you can join the Patreon page and you'll get weekly and monthly reads for one set price. So instead of paying $50 for one read, you'll get 4 for the month, right? That's how it works. So either way, with that being said, also please like, share, and comment and subscribe if this reading resonates with you. If you just like me, you can just subscribe. I would do the same for you. I actually go to other readers and don't even watch it. I just go just to like and subscribe just so that they can get the credit that they deserve for the time that they're spending with the collective and for the collective, right? So it's just show appreciation, guys. Show support because we're here for you, right? We're here to give you clarity about your situations in life and your love life and your career life and all these decisions that you got to make. Sorry. And so, 2 of Swords popping out like decisions, right? Sorry I take so long to shuffle. That's just me. You can skip ahead if you want to get to the read. We want to make sure these energies are clear. Oops, we forgot to cut. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Ooh. All right. For the divine masculine. Virgo and Virgo relationship. And the outcome in the middle with the unwound and known tarot deck. So we'll have 7 cards altogether. And then we'll clarify as needed. I'm going to get some more cards today. I was supposed to buy some for my birthday. I haven't. But when my daughter gets home, because she's also interested in tarot, I'm going to go buy her a mommy and daughter set. Okay. Because she keeps playing with my cards. Okay. Might be why all this immature energy keep popping up in my personal reads. Okay. Not personal being personal that people pay me for, but my own personal. transformative reads. Okay, so one more shuffle from the divine. I'm sorry, guys. It takes so long to shuffle. Just skip ahead. Just skip ahead. All right. And then the one outcome in the middle, flipped upward. Overall outcome representing both your energies, strength. This person either makes you strong, feel strong, or gives you a reason to be strong. With the divine feminine side, we have the 5 of Swords in reverse, the Moon card in the upright, and the 7 of Swords in reverse. On the divine masculine side, we have the 7 of Swords in reverse as confirmation, and then the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, as well as the Ace of Wands in reverse. So Virgo on Virgo relationship. What do we have here? Let me tell you. Well, the good thing is, this emotional energy, this emotional roller coaster that you were going through in this relationship, Virgo, it's coming to an end. Like somebody's going to make a final decision, there's a finalization taking place, which is bringing this strength, this unified strength between the two of you, right? And it's definitely unified. The 7 of Swords is in reverse for both the divine masculine and the divine feminine. And so with that being said, the lies and the deceptions, the secrets have been revealed, okay? And so there's no more of the fuckery, okay? That's a good thing, right? But the collaboration and the teamwork and the effort that the divine masculine is putting in or was putting in, it's just futile. It's not coming in the same direction anymore. They have lost the passion for you, Virgo, or for the relationship. And so that's making you really emotional, right? Pisces energy is also here. Maybe there's Pisces in either one of you guys' charts, maybe yours, Virgo. And I just want to get some clarification on where the strength will lead you, because the second position of both cards is the emotional, non-collaborative, non-cooperative energy, right? That's providing this strength or encouraging you to be strong, be brave, and move forward and find something greater that will not take you for granted, Virgo, not allow this 5 of Swords energy to return. As far as these battles that you guys go through, you'll battle together and not against each other, okay? I feel like this Virgo on Virgo relationship is very competitive. I'm sensing that you don't need to be with a partner that competes with you. You need a partner that teams up with you. And so with that being said, there's just no more passion in this relationship. There's a big change that's coming. There's no major arcana here other than the Strength card and this Moon card, okay? Or the Ace of Wands in reverse, okay? But in the upright, the only major arcana that are in the upright are the Moon and the Strength card, okay? So on the divine masculine side, I see just a turn of energy, just a lack of interest, a lack of commitment, and a lack of enthusiasm for this relationship. The 2 of Cups just fell out in reverse. Again, yeah, this is a breakup. So let me just get some more clarity from the outcome card deck, which is the Wild and Unknown Tarot deck. I'm just going to clarify the 7 of Swords. Since it's confirmation on both sides, I'll use this deck to ask the divine for further details or messages that deal with why the 7 of Swords is coming out in reverse for both of you, even though I use separate decks, and y'all see how long I'll be shuffling. So with that being said, let's see what we can get out of this. The 7 of Swords in reverse. Oh, I'll take both of those because they both fell out. Oh, there's 3 or 4. Okay, so there's the Hangman in reverse, the Chariot in reverse, the Mother of Wands is in reverse, and the Son of Pentacles is in reverse for the 7 of Swords on both sides. So with this being said, you have this, again, Son of Pentacles is in reverse, lack of effort, lack of commitment, lack of enthusiasm for the relationship, lack of passion, just even to a certain extent of trying to self-sabotage the relationship or trying to sabotage you because they don't want to be with you anymore. So instead of just walking away, they're like, I'm going to destroy everything we built. Craziness. And then the Chariot in reverse, they just have not, again, they're not moving forward. There's a delay in doing the right thing, and just letting go, either from your side or the divine masculine side. And then the Hangman in reverse, someone needs to surrender their childish, crazy lack of committal ways, right? Let's see. I would say, let's figure out why you're emotional, because I bet it's about this divine masculine for the moon card. I just want to know why that's there. I mean, the divine masculine side is pretty clear. Your side is not so clear as to what you're feeling or what you're going to do. You just seem to like be done with the bullshit, done with the fuckery, done with the, secrets and the lies and the elusive behaviors. As far as, if you're going to tell me you love me, then show it. Action speaks louder than words. If you're not showing it, then I can't add nothing up. I'm sorry. I don't see it. I mean, what you're saying is just not evident. And so I think that has you in an emotional standpoint. So let's just see what you're going to do with these emotions, with this moon card here in the upright. Why is this moon card here in the upright for Virgo? Why is this moon card here in the upright for Virgo? We have the Ten of Cups in reverse. Yeah, so I think that concludes the read. Like, you're not happy, you're not satisfied with this person's behavior and this inconsistency and their lack of commitment, frankly, and you're not having it anymore and you're ready to move forward. But there's still a delay. You're holding on to this energy, trying to be strong and trying to revive what you guys had. But this Two of Cups here being in reverse, it's just not going to happen, Virgo. I'm sorry. Well, I guess I'll see you next read, and hopefully it's better, okay? And we'll do this again, and maybe, in a week or so, there'll be a different outcome. Work on it. Pray on it. That's all I got to say. Namaste. Love you.